Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Welcome to our Ale Review Series practice quiz, and we have building utilities part 2 for today. So again, instructions before proceeding with this quiz: get a piece of paper, write down question or numbers 1 to 30, and then if you're ready, you can now proceed with the quiz. And for every question, write down the corresponding letter of your best choice or your best answer from the multiple choice. And after the quiz, count the total number of your correct answers and check whether to what category your score belongs. So, can we now start? If you are ready, number 1, which system is often used in parking garage? A. Dry pipe. B. Water spray. C. Wet pipe. D. Deluge system. So our correct answer is wet pipe systems. So these are the most common type of fire sprinkler system. They are filled with water at all times, so when a sprinkler head is triggered by heat, water is immediately discharged. Since tropical areas do not experience freezing temperatures, there is no risk of the water freezing inside the pipes. Now, the dry pipe systems are designed for areas with cold temperatures where water could freeze. They contain pressurized air or nitrogen instead of water, which is released when a sprinkler head activates, allowing water to flow. A water spray takes out fires through water sprayed from interconnected nozzles, and deluge systems are designed for high hazard areas with rapid fire spread, such as industrial facilities or chemical storage areas. They release a large amount of water simultaneously over the entire area. This system is not typically used in parking garages, which are considered a moderate hazard. Number 2. Which system contains nitrogen under pressure? A. Nitrogen spray. B. Dry pipe. C. Water spray. And D. Foam water. And our correct answer is letter B, dry pipe. So a dry pipe sprinkler system uses pressurized nitrogen or air instead of water in the pipes to prevent freezing in cold environments. Nitrogen spray is not a specific system, and water spray is filled with water, and foam water systems use a combination of water and foam. Number 3. Which system are used where large quantities of water are needed quickly? A. Water mist. B. Deluge system. C. Water spray. And D. Pre-action. Bullet. And D. Pre-action. And our correct answer is letter B, deluge system. So a deluge system has open sprinkler heads. So when activated, water immediately flows out of all sprinklers simultaneously, delivering a large amount of water quickly. Water mist systems provide rapid water discharge. They are designed for more targeted application with smaller droplets, often to protect sensitive equipment or areas where excessive water damage could be detrimental. Water spray systems deliver a broader water spray than mist systems, but still not at the same volume as a deluge system. Pre-action system requires activation by a detection system before water is released, meaning it takes slightly longer to deliver water than a deluge system. Number 4. Which system are used where accidental activation is undesired, such as in museum? A. Dry pipe. B. Pre-action. C. Chemically induced. And D. Foam water. And our correct answer is letter B, pre-action. So this pre-action system requires a two-step activation process, meaning it needs a fire detection system to signal the presence of a fire before water is released, minimizing the risk of accidental water damage in sensitive areas like museums. Dry pipe has a valve that holds back water until a sprinkler head activates, but it can still cause water damage in certain situations. Chemically induced is not a specific type of sprinkler system, and foam water uses foam to extinguish fires, but it is not specifically designed to prevent accidental water damage in sensitive areas. Number 5. What system is the most reliable and installed more often than all other types? A. Wet pipe, B. Dry pipe, C. Fire sprinkler, and D. Pre-action. And our correct answer is letter A, wet pipe. So wet pipe systems are considered the most reliable because they have pressurized water readily available within the pipes, allowing for immediate discharge when a fire is detected, making them the most common choice for various buildings. Wet pipe sprinkler systems are typically installed in places like office buildings, hotels, residential high-rises, and commercial spaces where the risk of freezing is low. Number 6. What is the function of figure A? A. Commercial and industrial grade exhaust duct. B. Bring in air conditioning to any part of the building. C. Removes unwanted air inside to outside of the building. And D. Stops or regulates the flow of air in the building. And our correct answer is letter D, stops or regulates the flow of air in the building. So the figure here, figure A, is an air damper, and it is a device that controls the amount of airflow within a ductwork system, allowing for the regulation of air circulation throughout a building, including directing air to specific rooms or areas as needed. Number 7. What is the function of figure B? A. HVAC damper, B. Return air vents, C. Air duct cover, and D. Air diffuser. And our correct answer is letter D. Air diffuser. So an air supply diffuser's main function is to distribute conditioned air throughout a space, typically in homes or commercial buildings. It works by reducing air velocity and increasing static pressure to ensure a uniform and comfortable airflow. This helps to prevent drafts and temperature fluctuations by spreading the air evenly in various directions. Number 8. What is the function of figure C? A. Solar roof vent, B. Sunroof, C. Electric vent, and D. Solar lighting. And our correct answer is letter A, solar roof vent. So a solar roof vent is a ventilation system powered by solar energy, typically using a fan to extract hot air from the roof space and expel it outside. This process helps regulate attic temperatures, reduce heat buildup, and improve overall airflow in the house, leading to a more comfortable and energy-efficient home. Number 9. What is the function of figure D? A. Transformer, B. Air interchanger, C. Generator, and D. Air conditioner. And our correct answer is letter D, air conditioner. So the primary function of an air conditioner is to remove heat and moisture from the air within an enclosed space, typically a room or building, to create a cooler and more comfortable environment. Air conditioners also help regulate humidity, ensuring a comfortable indoor climate. So what is shown here in this picture is a single package rooftop electric cooling unit, no, for a split type air conditioning system. And number 10, what is the function of figure E? A. Electric hot water. B. Solar water heating. C. Photovoltaic array. And D. Air conditioning. And our correct answer is letter D, air conditioning. So here is a hybrid solar air conditioner. It is a system that combines traditional air conditioning technology with solar power to provide cooling and heating. It utilizes solar panels to generate electricity, which can then be used to power the air conditioner, reducing reliance on grid electricity and lowering energy costs. Number 11, figure A is used for LED lighting and is called A, ballast, B, driver, C, transistor, and D, transformer. And our correct answer is letter B, driver. So the picture is an LED driver, also known as an LED power supply, and it is a critical component in LED lighting systems. It converts the incoming AC voltage into a DC voltage suitable for powering the LEDs. LED drivers provide a stable power supply to LEDs, protecting them from voltage or current fluctuations that could damage them. Number 12. Figure B is usually specified as A. Spot lighting, B. Exterior ground lighting, C. Pool accent lighting, and D. Wall up lighter. And our correct answer is letter B, exterior ground lighting. So this type of lighting serves the primary purpose of illuminating outdoor spaces, enhancing safety, security, and aesthetics. It can be used to illuminate walkways, pathways, and landscaping features, as well as drawing attention to specific areas or elements within the landscape. Number 13. Figure C is a type of blank bulb. A. PAR 38, B. CFL, C. PL, and D. LED. And our correct answer is letter D, LED. So an LED lamp or LED light is an electric light that produces light using light-emitting diodes. LED lamps are significantly more energy efficient than equivalent incandescent lamps and fluorescent lamps. So this is the CFL, the LED, and the PL is the pin light, and this is the regular, the old incandescent, and this is the PAR 38 lamp. No? Number 14, which figure or figures are energy-saving lighting? A. Figure C only. D. Figure D only. C. Figure B and figure D. And D. Figure C and figure D. And our correct answer is letter D, figure C, and figure D. So both CFLs, compact fluorescent lamps, this one, and LEDs, light-emitting diodes, are energy-saving lighting options, offering significant benefits over traditional incandescent bulbs. They use less electricity to produce the same amount of light, resulting in lower energy bills and reduced environmental impact. But if we look at the other lighting here, this one and this one can also use LED lights. Number 15. What is the necessary component of figure D lamp to enable it to light up? A. Circuit driver. B. Electronic ballast. C. Circuit transistor. And D. Electronic transformer. And our correct answer is letter B, electronic ballast. So CFLs have two main components, a magnetic or electronic ballast and a gas-filled tube, also called bulb or burner. A ballast is essential for CFLs as it provides the high voltage needed to initially start the lamp and then regulates the current to ensure proper operation throughout its life. Number 16. Which figure is used for commercial rooftop application? A. Figure A. B. Figure C. C. Figure E. And D. Figure D. And our correct answer is figure A. So this is a centrifugal roof exhaust fan, and the primary purpose is to remove hot, contaminated, or stale air from a building, particularly in industrial and commercial settings. It utilizes centrifugal force to draw air into the fan, forcing it outward, and then exhausting it through a duct or directly out of the roof. This helps improve air quality, reduce heat buildup, and manage odors and fumes. Number 17. Which figure is used for interior room applications? A. Figure C. B. Figure D. C. Figure B. And D. Figure A. And our correct answer is letter C, figure B. So figure B is a ceiling-mounted ventilation fan, also known as ceiling exhaust fan, and they are primarily used to remove stale, humid, or polluted air from a room, improving indoor air quality. They are often installed in bathrooms and kitchens to eliminate odors, moisture, and pollutants like smoke and grease. In addition to removing stale air, these fans can also improve air circulation within a space. Number 18. Which figure can be installed on exterior wall? A. Figure C. B. Figure E. C. Figure B. And D. Figure D. And our correct answer is letter D, figure D. So figure D is an exhaust fan, which is a mechanical ventilation device primarily designed to remove stale, humid, or odor-filled air from inside the building and expel it outside. They are often located at exterior walls to ensure the direct release of this unwanted air outside the building, promoting fresh air circulation and preventing moisture buildup. Number 19. Which figure is applicable only for tiny room? A. Figure C. B. Figure A. C. Figure D. And D. Figure B. And our correct answer is letter A, figure C. So for a tiny room, a compact exhaust fan or smaller ceiling fan under 29 inches can be effective. These are designed to fit well in small spaces like bathrooms, closets, or other small areas. Number 20. Which figure is used to start or stop fluid flow on major water line? A. Figure E. B. Figure A. C. Figure C. And D. Figure D. And our correct answer is letter C, figure C. So figure C is a globe valve, and these valves are used for regulating flow and are suitable for frequent operation. Unlike ball valves and gate valves, globe valves are designed to modulate and throttle water flow. Number 21. Which figure is also known as a sluice valve? A. Figure A. B. Figure E. C. Figure C. And D. Figure B. And our correct answer is letter A, figure A. So a gate valve, also known as a sluice valve, is a valve that opens by lifting a barrier or gate out of the path of the fluid. These valves are typically used to completely shut off or allow flow, but are not designed for flow regulation. Number 22. Which figure has a spherical closure element and usually has a handle that rotates not more than 90 degrees? A. Figure A. B. Figure C. C. Figure B. And letter D is figure E. And our correct answer is letter C, figure B. So butterfly valves are a family of quarter-turn rotational motion valves that are used in pipelines to shut off flow. These valves are used for flow regulation and shut off in large diameter piping systems. Number 23. Which figure is used to connect to water closet? A. Figure D. B. Figure B. C. Figure E. And D. Figure C. And our correct answer is letter A, figure D. So figure D is an angle valve, and they're used to control the flow of water from faucets under kitchen and bathroom sinks. So number 24. Which figure is a one-way valve? A. Figure B. B. Figure D. C. Figure E. And D. Figure C. And our correct answer is letter C, figure E. Figure E is a check valve. These valves allow flow in only one direction, preventing backflow. Number 25. Which figure is a tail piece? A. Figure A. B. Figure D. C. Figure C. And D. Figure E. And our correct answer is letter A, figure A. So a tailpiece is often referred to as the drain tailpiece. This is the section of piping that connects to the drain fitting. Number 26. Which figure is for washing clothes? A. Figure B. B. Figure D. C. Figure C. And D. Figure A. And our correct answer is letter A, figure B. So laundry sinks, also known as utility sinks or laundry tube tubs, are specialized sinks designed for laundry rooms, garages, or workshops. They are typically deeper and wider than standard kitchen or bathroom sinks, making them suitable for washing larger items and handling messy tasks. Number 27. Which figure is for disposing waste? A. Figure D. And B. Figure A. C. Figure C. And D. Figure B. And our correct answer is letter C, figure C. So figure C here is a garbage disposal unit, also known as a food waste disposer. It's a device installed under a kitchen sink. It grinds food waste into small particles that can be flushed down the drain, helping to reduce kitchen waste and prevent clogged pipes. Number 28. Which figure is for washing dishes? A. Figure A. B. Figure C. C. Figure E. And D. Figure D. And our correct answer is letter D, figure D. So a kitchen sink is a plumbing fixture typically found in kitchens that is used for washing dishes, food preparation, and other cleaning tasks. It's a bowl-shaped basin often made of stainless steel or porcelain connected to both a water supply and a drain. Number 29. Which figure is a regular basin? A. Figure E. B. Figure A. C. Figure D. And D. Figure C. And our correct answer is letter A, figure E. So figure E here is a lavatory and refers to a sink or basin specifically designed for washing hands and face. And then lastly, which building type is not considered as light hazard fire classification? A. Hospital building. B. Office building. C. Warehouse building. And D. Private residence. And our correct answer is letter C, warehouse building. So light hazard occupancies are these locations where combustible products and the quantity of Class A combustible and Class B flammables are incredibly unlikely. So Class A combustibles include paper, refuse, and fabrics among others, while Class B flammables include flammable liquids. So in these environments, possible fires have a relatively minimal rate of heat release. Some of the light hazard areas may consist of hospitals, educational institutions, meeting rooms, libraries aside from massive stock rooms, nursing homes, residential areas, auditoriums, and theaters aside from prosceniums and stages, and sitting areas in restaurants, offices, and data processing. So lahat yan, hospital, office, and residence are considered as light hazard except for warehouse. Now, according to the 2019 revised IRR of RA 9514 or the Fire Code of the Philippines, low hazard occupancies are locations where the total amount of Class A combustible materials including furnishings, decorations, and contents is of minor quantity. So, ang mga buildings na to ay offices, classrooms, churches, assembly halls, guest room areas of hotels, motels, and so forth. So this classification anticipates that majority of content items are either non-combustible or so arranged that a fire is not likely to spread rapidly, and small amounts of Class B flammables used for duplicating machines, art departments, and so forth are included, provided they are kept in closed containers and safely stored. Now, on the other hand, you see warehouse here as classified under moderate hazard and high hazard. So, under the moderate hazard are warehouses containing Class 1 or Class 2 commodities, and high hazard will be for warehouses of or in-process storage of other than Class 1 and Class 2 commodities. So that's it for our quiz for today. So check your total scores now. And if your score is 15 or less, so think and it is time for a more strategic review. So if you are interested to attend a more comprehensive review in preparation for the architecture board exams, just scan the QR code here to know more about the review courses offered by Atlas CDC or Atlas Career Development Center. Okay, so watch out for my succeeding videos as well.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.